Hello everyone, tonight's dinner of the day is, we are having barbecue chicken. Yes, barbecue chicken and nice hot corn on the side. This is our corn. Our side dish tonight will be corn. Tonight's thing is boneless chicken breasts with barbecue sauce on them and sweet corn with little bit of butter added to it and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. This is what it looks like all together, everyone. This is a very simple and easy dish to make. All you need is a little bit of time and buying your food at Walmart. These are the Walmart chicken breasts that I bought this month, and they look delicious. So, don't forget to give the thumbs up, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all. Amen.